Hello dear, this is Chris. Today I will introduce you our glue-free wadding production line running in our Canadian customer factory. Firstly, this is 3-size bill opener for all two-way different raw fibers in presented. You can set freely and then deliver to first opening machine. And this is the second opening machine for fine opening. And then through pipes to cotton feeder. There has photoelectric sensor. And this one is cutting machine. You can see the fiber layers is very light and delivered to the cross-lapping. By the cross-lapping machine, you can get your fiber sheets into needed width and needed thickness, and then delivered to the heating oven by the wooden conveyor. Interior is Teflon belt, and the heating oven is 8 meters long gas heating oven. It can make 80 to 400 GSM thickness waddings. And after air heating machine, delivered to edge trimming and cutting machine.